Do you want to easily create amazing animations and make money with your videos? Well, you are in the right place. Do you know the ones? Those cool Pixar-style explainers, and music videos, and funny animated clips of people you see floating around online? Well, creating those custom animations is now easier than ever thanks to AI. In this video, I'll be showing you 2 free ways to turn any video into animation using artificial intelligence. With just a few clicks, you can transform regular videos into animated masterpieces through these new AI tools. Whether you want to create stunning explainers, fun music videos, or just animate yourself and your friends for laughs, this tutorial will show you how to do it completely free. So if you're ready to turn your videos into cartoons, anime, or any animation style you can imagine, keep watching. I'll be reviewing 2 amazing AI tools called LensGo and Domio that make it possible to animate any video in seconds without needing any drawing skills. Let's get started. 1. LensGo. The first free AI tool we'll be using is called LensGo. To get started, just go to LensGo AI in your web browser. LensGo is an amazing AI platform that offers both text-to-video and video-to-video animation features. We won't be covering the text-to-video portion today, but I do have a full tutorial on how to use that if you're interested. For now, let's click on Animate Videos on the left side menu. Here you can see some examples of videos that have been animated through LensGo. There's also an anime category and other art styles to choose from. But my favorite is the Pixar style, so let's select that. Next, click on Upload Video and choose a short video file from your computer that you want to animate. For this demo, I'll select this simple video for a baby. Now in the prompt section, describe the animation style you want applied to the video. I'll type a girl wearing glasses. Then hit start and LensGo's AI will get to work animating the video. And here is our output. As you can see, the AI transformed my simple home video into a lively Pixar-esque animation. My video has been animated in 3D with vivid, exaggerated expressions and movements that bring the laughter to life. This took just seconds to render using LensGo's AI technology. Let's rewatch the original video in comparison. Pretty remarkable what it's able to produce. The animation quality can vary depending on the prompt and video inputs. But overall, this is an incredibly powerful free tool. The only limitation is you get 50 free credits per day, and then you have to sign up for a paid plan. Before moving to the next tool, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorials and creative tips. 2. Domio AI. Okay, now let's move on to the second free AI animation tool called Domio AI. To get started, go to Domio AI and click on Start in Discord. This will redirect you to their Discord server where the magic happens. Once in the Discord, scroll down and go to the hashtag Generate Video channel. Here you can see examples of animations others have created. To make your own, type /video and upload your clip when prompted. I'll reuse the baby video again. In the prompt, describe the desired animation style. I'll put a cute anime baby girl laughing. Next, select an art style from the dropdown. I think the anime V3 style looks cool. You can also choose whether to prioritize the original video or the prompt. I'll emphasize the video here. Then select the duration, like 5 seconds. Finally, hit start and Domio's AI will work its magic. And here is our anime baby animation. As you can see, the AI was able to take my video and transform it into a short anime loop, creating original art while still maintaining the spirit of the original clip. Domio offers several other art options too, so you can customize your animations. Domio AI gives 100 free credits on first-time sign-up, and when you use all these credits, you have to upgrade to premium plans. So you can use free AI tools like LensGo and P-Collapse. The other potential downside is the results can be hit or missed depending on the video quality and prompt. Outro. So there you have it, 2 awesome free tools for turning videos into animations with the power of AI. LensGo and Domio offer simple interfaces that enable creators to bring their videos to life through animation, with no drawing skills required. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and are as excited by these new technologies as I am. Let me know if you have any other questions. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content about how to harness AI as a creative tool. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.